Hello everyone and welcome back to Decentralized Bull Channel. Today we're going to talk about current market updates, what's happening with Bitcoin, what's happening with Ethereum, and major altcoins, what's going to happen in the next couple of days. Today is Friday, tomorrow is going to be weekend. Will we have low volume like usually on the weekend, or what's going to happen with Bitcoin and Ethereum in the next couple of days? We have a lot of FUD, we have banks collapsing, we have binance FUD, we have money printing again, so there is a lot of things to talk about. So let's jump straight into the charts. Here, as we can see, yesterday actually Bitcoin broke over $29,000. You can see it right here, and we're sitting and dropped back another $1,000 after that. But still, you can see here a small wick was above 29,100, and if you look closely here, it's almost where I said it's gonna go here. Actually, like $200 off only. So it was pretty good prediction. It took a little bit longer than expected, but in the end, it's still going up, and we still have this channel that's holding. This is the white line here, and it's still holding. That's definitely very good. We're also above the EMA ribbons, I think. Let me quickly zoom in. Yes, exactly, we're above the EMA ribbons, which looks very good. Let's see what's going to happen today. Today is Friday, and as you know, on the weekend, family offices and hedge funds and big corporations, they don't really like to trade or buy positions. That's why we can see a bit of a cool off. Maybe 27,600 is very possible during the weekend. Let's see what kind of FUD is also coming in. But a lot of people are starting to accumulate Bitcoin because of the current banking situations. Like, we have people, they cannot withdraw their money, we have suspended accounts, we have banks going bankrupt. That's very bad. So a lot of people are starting to move either to Bitcoin or to gold. So you can see gold also, the old not moving at all. Gold started to move a little bit. So let's go here and check out the gold price. So here we can see gold starting to move up, guys. Also we can see, actually let me pull out the measurement tool from here, from the 8th of March, which is around 2 weeks ago. It did around 9% on spot, which for gold is very good. Gold didn't move so much actually at all. Like, actually it even went down a little bit here in February. Wait, so let me pull it from here to here. It went actually down 6.85%, but now it's back in an uptrend, and it even created a higher high here. So gold looks pretty good. It's a nice hedge against the banking system and the whole fiat currency situation. So that's not good at all. And we also have like a lot of FUD against the US dollar. So you can see Russia and China, they stopped using the US dollar. That's why gold went up, that's why Bitcoin went up, and also a lot of countries in Asia are thinking to use other currency to settle their international trades for commodities or other commodities. That's the right word, I think. Now let's go into the altcoin chart and see what's happening there. We have Ethereum above 1,800, and I'm really thinking now to buy some more Ethereum on spot actually for the longer term, because if you go to the, let's go to the weekly. If you go to the weekly, maybe let me erase also this not this, but the Fibonacci. All right, maybe I'll bring it back afterwards. So here we have let me give the measurement tool. We have Ethereum sitting around 1,800 here, and let's say Ethereum goes back, which it will most certainly in the next bull market for sure. If it goes back to the same price again, we have gains of around 181% on spot, which is quite good gains for Ethereum. So that's why I'm thinking to really buy some Ethereum for long term. And on spot, as for trading, I'm currently not trading. If I see some FUD coming in or some news, maybe I'll do some scalps, and I'm gonna short some altcoins like I like to do. Like maybe I'm gonna short like Chili's a little bit, or a little bit Shiba Inu. But besides that, I'm not gonna trade so much during this weekend if I don't see a nice entry point. And let's go. Actually, let's brainstorm together here. Okay, where would be a nice entry point for Ethereum? Let's go to the 4-hourly. And as we see, Ethereum also above the 4-hourly EMA ribbons, which is great news, and it looks very bullish. We have also, let's check out the volume. How's the volume doing? Volume seems like increasing, if I'm not mistaken. So big for me. Alright. See, maybe let's go over to the monthly even. Okay, now on the monthly the volume is still not looking so great on Ethereum. Maybe on Bitcoin. Let's check that out. Oh yeah, if you can see, guys, on Bitcoin the volume is increasing like very good. Like you can see from here. From here to here. So Bitcoin increasing volume quite a lot. Let's see if it's also maybe it's only on Binance. But let's see, Bitcoin US dollar on Bitstamp. It looks also like it's fading actually. So I'll have to check up some more exchanges and see if the volume is really coming in more, or if it's just on Binance. But for now it looks quite good. Everything looks very good. I'll also buy some more Matic on spot, some more Cake definitely, and Uniswap. These are the big pillars of decentralization. That's why I like to support this project. Besides that, we have Tesla, not moving a lot. S&P 500 also not moving a lot. But let's take a look at the S&P. We see it also had a little bit of retracement. Maybe let's go to the weekly candles. So here we can see it had a little bit of retracement, came down from here to here, and now it's starting to go back up again. So we have a higher low here, and something like a double bottom here. Could be also double formation that's forming here on the S&P 500. Let's see what's gonna happen. Besides that, market looks quite good. I wouldn't really trade too much. If you're not a professional trader and you know what you're doing, I would wait for a nice breakout or a good entry point. Let's go to Bitcoin. What would be a good entry point for me on Bitcoin? Probably I'll just open some orders and I'll wait for a good trade. Like you can even say this area you can open like 25,800 would be a nice place to open a long trade if you want to do that. But right now I would wait for the confirmation and see what's gonna happen. Next target, next big resistance for Bitcoin would be 32,700 after 29,500. So if we break 29,500, next target would be 32,729, around that area. I think let's check out the news a little bit here and see what's happening for the crypto market also. Okay, not so. Okay, no major news happening here, just typical update from projects. So I'm not expecting a big drop, but everything can happen. I think actually the Fed will start printing again. If they lower the interest rates and people can start borrowing money again, this will be a big catalyst for the whole bull market. So if they start really lowering down the interest rates and they even maybe go negative as they were in the past, this would be very, very good for all financial markets. I think this was it for today. Thank you everyone for watching. Don't forget to click the Bybit link down below, $30,000 bonus, and you can open a trade with that. You can open a 10x leverage trade with $30,000. It's $300,000 trade. So please make sure to take advantage of this opportunity that Bybit is giving you. And thank you all for watching. I'll come back with some more updates, and bye bye.